Hey, quick update. When I was talking about this switch the other day and fixing it, I found out that when I put the new stereo in, I'd actually used the amp output off of the factory head unit to power up the camera front and the monitor mirror. So, changing that out to the head unit, I had to rewire this. So what I've done now is I finally fixed it to where it comes on with the lights and the rest of the car, and power on, powers up the camera, off, camera's off, but the still works. So the mirror's still on, lights on, lights off. And if I turn the car off, nothing. So there's no power to it. Alright, just wanted to give you all an update.